It's one of those perfect Florida days, the kind where the sun feels just right and the water stretches out like glass beneath an endless sky. We're out here with a crew of good friends, floating just off the shoreline before the races really kick off, and we pull up to the Sandbar to hang out for a while. The flags are flying in the breeze, music playing, and the vibe is just right. No rush, just time to enjoy it. A frisbee comes out just like that. It turns into one of those moments you didn't plan, but won't forget. Out here it's simple, good friends, warm water, and nothing but open sky around you. And then you hear it, a little rumble in the distance. Helicopters begin circling overhead, hovering, tracking the action before it even reaches us. Then in the distance, the race boats appear, cutting across the water like streaks of power, helicopters chasing from above. They hit full speed, engines roaring, water exploding behind them. You can feel it in your chest as they fly by. From the sandbar to open water, from quiet moments to full throttle energy, days like this aren't just about what you see, they're about what you feel. The sun starts to dip, the energy softens, and you realize it's not just about the race, it's about who you share it with.